Hi there. Today, our topic is about T&E expenses, Part 2. We have a dialogue between Katie, CFO, and Tommy, CEO. After this conversation, we shall analyze the fact, discuss for any control deficiencies, and how to tackle these. Here is the conversation.
Katie, I have a quick question to you.
Tommy, sure.
Katie, sometimes I am confused about the meaning of T&E. What is the scope?
Okay. Generically, it is for claiming traveling costs for overseas traveling or some local traveling, and entertainment costs with customers.
That one, I understand. But I have found some local mobile charges, some department team building meal expenses in those T&E claims.
Yes, T&E expenses have extended to those expenses incurred by staff where a company has not established a business account. For your example, a staff is eligible for mobile phone costs, but a business account with such vendor will not be set up, so the staff will claim it back. Same as for the team building meal expenses, a business account will not be set up with the restaurant, so the department head will pay it first and claim it back.
How about the team building cost for the company's event?
Yes, for this event, HR is contacting with the team building event organizer on behalf of the company. Thus, there should be a business account with this vendor. HR cannot pay it first and claim it. A vendor must be established with the company. It is part of the procurement process. Payment should be made by the company unless there is a solid reason for payment by a staff and claim as T&E.
Okay, gradually understand. Sidetrack a bit, how about the mileage that the overseas travelers earned?
I know, but it is not practicable to trace as it is at individual account with the airline. What we can do is to control the scope of T&E. For this part, finance will play a major role in this monitoring.
Good point. Katie, excellent work. Thanks.
You are welcome, Tommy.
Katie is absolutely right. Firstly, T&E should have limited scope. Secondly, the company should set up business account with all vendors as far as possible and pay directly with those vendors. Apart from normal travels and entertainment, individual employees can claim some other benefits like expenses like cell phone expenses or meal expenses that the company would not open a business account with. Thirdly, finance should play a role in overseeing all T&E claims and opening of vendors' business accounts with the company. To recap, here is the key control points. T&E claims should have limited scope. Finance plays an important role in overseeing T&E claims and creation of business account with vendors and pay directly. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about Business Impact Analysis, Part 2. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.